Welcome back to our series of Minecraft things in Maine and popular character names pronunciation videos. Let's take a look at how to pronounce this word. A grindstone is a tool used for sharpening or polishing items, especially blades. In games like Minecraft, it is used to repair items and remove enchantments. Pronunciation: French. In France, the word grindstone is pronounced grindstone, with a soft nasal tone and a smooth own ending. Grindstone, giving it a rounded, flowing sound. American. In America, people say grindstone, with a clear grind and a strong R sound. Grindstone, making it sound firm and direct. British. In the UK, it's pronounced Grindstone, with the R softened and the ending slightly longer. Grindstone, giving it a smoother, more relaxed tone. Summary: French, grindstone. American, grindstone. British, grindstone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more pronunciation videos.